Rakan!
Thank you so much once again, Maris Rakan is here.
Maris, dito na kayo! Maris!
Salamat po naman dito wag po natin namin yung area para sa ating mga press and vloggers. Yes. May area po pa rin. After po doon, may represent na po sa city na Korea. Kaya maraming salamat. Once again, Maris Rakan.
Please, sasabihin si Manis, then just say no. Great.
Again, reminder lang sa ating mga kapamilya natin na nandito ngayon sa SM Mega Mall. Please, of course, don't leave your belongings po as we're not responsible for any loss or damage to your personal things. So, hawakan niyo maigay yung mga gamit, okay? Yung mga phones. Of course, Bon, nabagin na nga rin natin na makakasama rin natin tonight.
Yes, kasama natin ang ating cast and of course directors, creators for Meet, Greet, and Buy. At ito na nga sila. Again, we are very grateful for your presence tonight. Maraming salamat po for coming here sa SM Mega Mall Circle 3 para makakita at makasama ang cast ng Meet, Greet, and Buy.
We are so grateful, of course, to all of you mga kapamilya.
Ayan naman din natin, Romy Jaworski. Hi, Romy. Punta na tayo sa stage.
Yes. Standby muna si Robin, please. Pero photo op muna. Ayan, sorry. Photo lang tayo sa ating mga official photographers. After photo op, please. Robbie, sorry, standby muna tayo as we, of course, acknowledge our cast. Of course, Miss Carmi is here. Our boss, Sir Chris Gasman.
Chris Gasman is here. Miss Carmen, hello po. Thank you so much for joining us this evening dito sa ating grand premiere.
Yes?
Muli po sa lahat po ng mga tickets na sa Cinema 3, pwede na po tayong pumasok. And of course, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng mga kapamilya sila dito ngayon, mga fans, supporters ng ating cast. We are very grateful na nandito at kasama namin kayo.
Yes, maraming salamat. And of course, these are fashion hashtag lang. Photos, and of course, your experience. Please use our fashion hashtag meet, greet, and buy, and hashtag MGP World Premiere. Okay.
Starting tomorrow, November 12, ipapalabas na nga po ang Meet, Greet, and Buy in over 450 cinemas nationwide.
Yes, and this is rated G. And again, abangan nyo lamang din po for our international screenings na nabanggit na rin namin earlier, of course, this November, and of course, sa ating December din, and more territories soon.
And of course, allow us to use this opportunity
For supporting.
Maraming salamat kay Charlie and Dons. Dons. Maraming salamat.
Again, isa rin sa mga bisita natin ngayong gabi na nakita natin na nasa record, River Joseph. Hi, River! Ayan, proceed na po tayo sa Cinema 3.
Cinema 3. Hi, Rev. Of course, our special guest for tonight. Maraming salamat for coming. Grabe, talaga naman mga importante din kasama natin sa panonood ng pelikula ito. Ang ating mga kapamilya, our family members na nandito ngayon. Mga mag-ate, mag-kuya, mag-nanay, mag-tatay.
Yes.
Para